Hello everyone, this is Nikom and welcome to latest government job updates in English. So from MRPL, there is recruitment for the position of assistant engineer. Total vacancies are 65. If you complete your BE Tech, definitely you can apply. And this recruitment is through GATE exam. Okay, so GATE exam here is only 2022. So those who GATE 2021 or before, they can't apply to this position. Okay, because scorecard of only GATE 2022 is required. Which branches can apply? So EEE, electrical electronics, instrumentation and control, electronics instrumentation, chemical, mechanical, civil, electrical, metallurgy, computer science. You can apply to this post. Salary will be approximately 10.3 lakh per annum. Okay. Now we will see detailed information regarding recruitment. So let's start our video. So first important point is 60% aggregate you should have in your BE Tech if you're from Open or EWS and OBC. 50% aggregate you should have in your SC, ST, PWD. Okay. Then posting you will get anywhere in India. Process will be first they will require your gate score. After that they will take your GD and GT and then they will take PI. Okay, so there are total process are there. Okay, based on this they will create merit list and accordingly you get selected. Okay, the most important thing is there is bond and bond year is 3 years. That is the bond duration. Okay, so before 3 years you can't leave MRPL, and if you want to leave then definitely for general category or I can say UR category you need to pay 3 lakh rupees, and for other category you need to pay 50,000 rupees. The selection ratio for GD, GT and PI is 1:5. For one seat they will call total 5 candidates. The next important point is there will be shift wise work. Okay, so those who are comfortable to work in night shift, because night shift also part of this work, so definitely there is possibility that you will get night shift. Okay, so those who are comfortable then only you can apply. If you are not comfortable to work in night shift then no need to apply to this vacancy. Age limit cutoff date is 28th of May 2022. Okay, age limit is 27 for general AWS, OBC 30, SST 32, PW 37 general, OBC 40 and SST 42. Important days form is started today only and it will end on 28th of May. Okay, about your GD, GT, PI interview dates. So approximately I can say they can schedule your all these three process in your month of July. Okay, so 2 to 3 months you will get for preparation. So just prepare very good for this and don't to worry, because quick guide video I will just make for you. Okay, so that you will get proper guide how you can prepare for GD, GT and PI and what other things are there, right? Also the form link I am giving you in the comment section. I will not making any form filling video. Okay, so whatever doubt you have while form filling, just comment down below, or you can DM me on Instagram, WhatsApp and Telegram also. Do not just blindly fill the form, because in document verification you will get difficulties. Okay, so just fill the form properly. General OBC EWS will pay 100 rupees, SST will pay 0 rupees. Now we will see vacancy wise and category wise breakdown. So first vacancy is for assistant engineer chemical. Okay, those who complete chemical engineering they can apply. Whatever vacancies are there, 20 vacancies, and you can see category wise that for Open 8, SC3, ST1, OBC 6 and EWS 2. Okay, there is also reservation for PWD candidates. If you complete your BE in chemical technology, petrochemical technology, then you can apply. Gate paper code should be CH only. Okay, that is the main thing. Second vacancy is for mechanical. So for total mechanical 20 vacancies are there. Okay, you can see the categorized breakdown. Open 7, SC3, ST1, OBC 7, EWS 2. And there is reservation for PWD candidates. If you complete your BE Tech in mechanical and your gate paper code should be mechanical, then you can apply to this post. The next vacancy is for civil. Total 3 vacancies are there only for UR and SC. Okay, and also there is reservation for PWD candidates. If you complete your BE Tech in civil, then you can apply. Gate paper code should be CE only. Next vacancy is electrical. So for electrical total 6 vacancies are there. Okay, open 2, and for all the category only 1 vacancy is there. There is no reservation for PWD candidates. If you complete your BE Tech in electrical or EEE, electrical electronics, you can apply. The given thing is gate paper code should be EE. Next vacancies for instrumentation. Okay, total 7 vacancies are there. You can see here 3 vacancies for open and rest of the categories only 1 vacancy is there. There is no reservation for PWD candidates. If you complete your BE Tech in instrumentation, ENI, INC, instrumentation and electronics, instrumentation process, instrumentation technology, then you can apply. Your gate paper code should be IN. Next vacancy is for metallurgy. For metallurgy only 1 vacancy is there in open, and if you complete your BE Tech in metallurgy and material engineering, material science and engineering, material science and metallurgy engineering and metallurgy, then you can apply. Gate paper code should be MT. Next vacancy is for CSE computer science. So for total 6 vacancies are there. Okay, out of this open 2, SC1, ST1, OBC1 and AWS1, and there is a reservation for PWD candidates. If you complete your BE Tech in computer science, then you can apply. Your gate paper code should be CSE only. Okay, so just wait for quick guide video. If you have any query, any doubt regarding the recruitment, regarding anything, then you can comment down below. I will definitely help you in that. Okay, if you want to ask me anything about any recruitment, then you can DM me on Instagram also. All the best.